Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today I have a couple of requests for some pecan Parlines, some pecan candy. So I want to see if you can tell the difference between the one I made from in the pot and the one I'm going to try and make in the microwave. Here are the things you're going to need. You're going to need you some sugar. I'm going to use Condensed Milk and the Eagles brand Condensed Milk. You're going to need a stick of butter, a cup of sugar, and your pecans. And we are about to see if you can tell the difference. All right, guys, here we go. Okay, guys, since this is my very first time trying this in the microwave, I have a cup of sugar. I have a cup of Eagles brand condensed milk. I have my cup of pecans, flavor, and a half a stick of butter that I'm about to put in here. And then I'm about to pop it in the microwave. Let's see what we're working with. For starters, I'm just gonna place my condensed milk, 1 cup of condensed milk, and 1 cup of sugar in the microwave. And I'm gonna put that on 12 minutes for now. All right, let's see. All right, it's been 12 minutes and it's starting to rise. So I'm gonna take it out and stir it. All right. I see we're gonna have to do this every 4 minutes. You could stir it every 4 minutes. Stir it pretty good because I still hear the sugar rolling around in there. Stir it as if you was in the pot for about a minute or two. All right, let's put this back in the microwave and see what happens. I'm gonna do another 4 minutes. All right, we got 3 minutes left. We're about to take it out and stir it again. It's about to be ready, guys. It's about to be ready. All right, we have a minute and a half left. Let's see what we have here. All right, this is our last minute and a half. Let's see what we're working with. All right, it's been 12 minutes and I'm about to put it in there one last time for about 45 seconds and then I'm gonna lay it on the foil. Here we go. All right, here we go. The last 45 seconds. And this is what our pecan candy looks like. And I'm about to spread it onto the foil. And it's been in there, so I did 13 minutes and 15 seconds. in the microwave, stopping like every 3 seconds, every 3 minutes and stirring it. So this is what we have. And it is ready. It's ready. I was going to take them and lay them like this, but I think I might have to cut those. But this is what we have, guys. And this stuff is hot, believe me. It's hot, hot, hot. Not to be played with, that's for sure. Don't try and touch it with your finger. At least for another 20 minutes. Yeah, because it will burn you. All right, and we're going to lay this here for about 20 minutes. And we'll come back and check on it. But this is it, guys. Pecan Parlines in the microwave. And this is what we have. And I'm just waiting for my little taste testers. All right, that's it. And this is our finished product, guys. Pecan Parlines in the microwave. Here you have it. Now we gotta see the difference between the two. In the microwave or in the pot. What's the difference? Taste time. Okay, now that that's finished, I'm going to start my pot. And I like to fix my foil paper and butter it before I get my pecan candy started. So that'll be out of the way. When my candy start getting hot, then I won't have to stop and fix my paper. All right, first I'm gonna do 1 can of evaporated milk. A whole can of evaporated milk. And I'm gonna do a whole can of condensed milk. And I like to use Eagles brand. I mean, some people use different, but I like to stick to what I know is gonna work. If this was for the house, I might use another brand, but since it's for somebody else. And I have me 2 cups of sugar. I'm gonna put all that in there. And it's nice to have a wooden spoon, because after a while, this candy get hot, hot, hot. All right, now I'm gonna stir this for a little while.
It's going.
All right.
I'm just trying to get some new prank ideas.
Okay.
So,
Okay, guys, today I have the Be Heard the Guru in the house, my baby boy.
hello.
All right. That's his quick second of fame.
Oh my goodness. Oh.
All right. It's getting a little color here. And my sides are getting a little crusty. And we're going to be taking this out of here in about 3 minutes. I'm about to test it. Now this is how we test the candy. You take and you put a drop in some water. If it makes a ball, then it's ready. If it makes a line, then it's not ready. So I think we got about 3 more minutes to this, and it'll be ready. to compare the two. The microwave and then the one in the pot. And see which is the best. Here we go. All right. Now this is the candy we made in the microwave. How does it taste compared to the one in the pot?
Not bad for some microwave candy.
Mm-hmm. Does it taste almost the same?
Just as good.
Oh, well, good. Thanks. Thanks for watching, guys.